We get about, I don't even know, like hundreds of submissions weekly for people who would like to perform at the Milton Theatre. Regional, national, even internationally touring tribute bands.
This is our 5th year in a row playing Milton Theatre, and looking forward to a great show tonight. Great classic 70s stuff. We get so many people we talk to at the end of the night, and they tell us, man, when you played that song, you brought us back to this moment in time. It's really inspiring to see the people that the music means so much to them.
For some of these bands and some of these tributes, the actual artists themselves no longer perform.
I know what I was doing when each and every one of these songs came out, and each one has a unique, special memory for me. Childhood memories are some of the fondest times of their life. Again, the 60s was tumultuous, it was life-changing, but it also was dynamic, explosive, fun.
Just coming in unity in a space where all of you are enjoying the same thing. There truly is power to that. That's something that is becoming much more rare, and people gravitate to that, to the feeling of belongingness and to the sense of community. We would like to keep bringing that to audiences.
And we get to play Freebird at the end of each night. You know, how can you go wrong with something like that, right?